Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping. And today, we're going to give you a look at some highlights from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. First, we have a couple tonsil stone removal clips. Tonsil stones can be removed with a tonsil stone removal tool. I'll put a link to my favorite below. It lights up. Now we have a bizarre tool being used to open up clogged pores. I've never seen anything quite like this before. Credit to Dr. Alim Nogarov for this. Here's another look. Here is a macro pimple pop. Leave a comment below. Do you like these close-up clogged pores? While I show you a few more pimple pops, please click like and subscribe for new videos all the time. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.